a licensed clinical psychologist for the state of Pennsylvania and the state of Ohio. And I work in private practice currently and have done so for probably 35 years. The pain that I see among patients is overwhelming. It's not until they feel that they're in a safe space where they can open up and share that they do. The age that I find people going through an awareness of a trauma, I would say between 30 and 33 years old. Allie herself came to me when she was 19, but I could see right away that Allie had something that she needed to tell. And she had a truth of her own that I don't know many people would understand.